Fatty liver disease occurs when there is an accumulation of fat in the liver cells, and it can lead to liver inflammation and more severe liver problems if left untreated. While home remedies can be helpful as part of an overall strategy to prevent or manage fatty liver disease, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Here are some home remedies and lifestyle changes that may help prevent or manage fatty liver. Maintain a healthy diet. Limit your intake of saturated fats, trans fats and refined sugars. Focus on a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins and healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, e.g., salmon and mackerel. Reduce your consumption of processed foods, sugary beverages and fast food. Lose weight gradually. If you are overweight or obese, losing weight can help reduce fat in the liver. Aim for a gradual and sustainable weight loss of 1-2 pounds per week through a combination of diet and exercise. Rapid weight loss can sometimes worsen fatty liver. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity, such as aerobic exercises, e.g., walking, jogging, swimming, and strength training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating, which can contribute to weight gain. Consider using smaller plates to help with portion control. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your liver function optimally. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can contribute to fatty liver disease. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation or consider quitting altogether. Reduce sugar intake. High sugar intake, especially from fructose, can contribute to fatty liver. Read food labels and limit your consumption of sugary foods and drinks. Avoid rapid weight loss diets. Crash diets or extreme fasting can lead to rapid weight loss, but they may also worsen fatty liver. Focus on long-term, sustainable changes instead. Consume coffee. Some studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption may have protective effects on the liver. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can contribute to weight gain and liver problems. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impact your overall health, including liver health. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga or deep breathing exercises. Consider herbal supplements. Some herbal supplements like milk thistle and turmeric may have potential benefits for liver health, but consult with a healthcare professional before using them. Remember that these home remedies should be part of a comprehensive approach to prevent or manage fatty liver disease. Always consult with a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan based on your individual needs and medical history.